Hello NEET PG aspirants, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Students, today I want to discuss with you regarding one of the most underrated state for PG medical admissions in India. Yes, I am talking about Bihar. Most of the students, they don't participate in this particular state. South Indian students, they are very reluctant to come here. Even North Indian students also, they sometimes don't participate in the counseling. But I want to give you the informations about Bihar state counseling and the colleges. First, I will tell you the counseling process. In Bihar state, counseling process will be conducted by the authority called BCECE board. This comes under the government of Bihar. This organization conducts the PG medical admission counseling. I wanted to tell you in this phase of discussion, I am discussing only about the private medical college because I want to give you the information for the students of all over India, and since Bihar is an open state, so any part of India student can participate. So if the student is looking for private medical colleges in Bihar, they can join in the counseling process. The counseling process will start after the NEET PG result. Once the NEET PG result will be published, after that once the All India counseling start, after Bihar state counseling process will start. In this counseling process, first what you have to do, you have to do the registration in this website BCECE. They will be having one tab called PG MAC, PG MSc. In that tab you will have to go and you will have to do the registrations. Means applications. You will have to give all of your information about your personal details, about your study details, academic details, your MBBS details. Along with that, you have to upload all of your document which is required for the counseling process. See, in Bihar state, there will be having 2 lakh security deposit for private colleges. If you are looking for admission in private college, you have to pay the security money in the first round only. Their registration fees is approximately 2000 rupees. Apart from registration fees, you have to pay the security money. And you have to do the choice filling in round 1. In case if you are allotted a college, if you don't take, then first round is a free exit. The security money will not be forfeited. But in case of second round, if you are allotted a college, if you don't take admission, then the security money will be forfeited. In Bihar state counseling process, suppose if you are allotted a seat, if you want to join, you have to go for the verification process and then you have to report to the college for the admission. If you want to do upgradations, then you can do the upgradation in round 2. The process is little bit similar with the MCC counseling also. In Bihar, after round 2, it will be the offline counseling. So round 1 and round 2 is only the online counseling. After round 2, it will be an offline counseling. Now I am coming to the colleges. Okay, in Bihar state, there are 4 private colleges are there. First, I want to give you the information about Katihar Medical College, which is in Katihar. This is very famous medical college in Bihar. It has established in the year of 1987. And this college is a Muslim minority college. 50% seats are reserved for Muslim students. So if you are looking for admission in this college, definitely you have to participate in Bihar state counseling. Second college is coming, that is Mata Gujri Memorial Medical College. This is also very reputed college, not only in Bihar but also in the eastern part of India and also in Punjab. Why? Because this is a Sikh minority college. 30% seat of this college is reserved for the Sikh minority students. And this college is established in the year of 1987. It is located in Kishanganj. This is very close to West Bengal and Jharkhand, both the places. Third college is Narayan Institute of Medical Science, which is in Sasaram. This college is little new college that was established in the year of 2008. But this college is having both clinical and non-clinical PG courses, And last private college, which is around 4 to 5 years old, that is Lord Buddha Koshi Medical College, which is in Saharsa. This college is a little new. It is PG Medical started in the year of 2023, last year only. So these 4 colleges are there in Bihar for PG Medical admission. Now why Bihar is an important state for PG Medical, I will tell you. There are 3 reasons there. First reason, if a student who are from eastern part of India and who are from northern part of India who are looking for admission in PG Medical, then Bihar can be one options along with UP. Why? Because in PG Medical, the student feel that the language is an important factor because they will be able to communicate with the patient. In that context, if the student who are from North India, they can think this is one of the options for the PG Medical. Second reason is that even if the student's NEET score is not very high, NEET rank is not very good, still the student can get good branch in Bihar with a reasonable price. I can tell you approximately 30 lakhs within 30-35 lakhs you can get even general medicine subject also if your rank is approximately 40,000, 50,000. That possibility is also there. If your rank is around 30,000, if your rank is around 35,000, still you can get radio diagnosis in Bihar if the budget is around 40-45 lakhs per annum in this budget. Another reason is that if your budget is very limited, let's say if you are looking for a college within 15-16 lakhs or 14 lakhs per annum in this budget, and you are okay with the lower clinical branches like anesthesia, like ophthalmology, some extent you can get even general surgery also if your budget is 17-18 lakhs in some of the colleges. In Bihar you can get those branches in a lower budget also if your rank is not very good. If your rank is around 60,000, 70,000 also, you can get clinical branches like anesthesia, like ophthalmology in a fee structure of 14-15 lakhs per annum. So if the student is having that kind of requirement, then definitely you can participate in the state counseling of Bihar. Student, in this phase of video, I wanted to give you the information about the Bihar medical colleges and the counseling process. Hope this information was very much important for you. If you are looking for this kind of video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to get the updates regarding the PG medical admission, please join in our Telegram group. Thank you so much students for watching my video.